Welcome to the Phonics class. In the previous video, we have learned 3-letter CVC words along with IB family. Now, we are going to learn about 3-letter CVC words along with ID family. If you are new to my channel, please refer my previous videos for better understanding. Children, we all know about CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant. We have to always remember that blending the letter sounds together is first step in reading. Alright, children, are you ready to blend some sounds together to make new words? Yes, that's great. Here we go. Letter I. I makes the sound I. Letter D. D makes the sound D. I and D together makes the sound id. I. D. Id. Now we are going to learn words with id sound. B. Id. Bid. B. Id. Bid. D. Id. Did. D. Id. Did. H. Id. Hid. Ha. Id. Hid. K. Id. Kid. K. Id. Kid. L. Id. Lid. L. Id. Lid. R. Id. Rid. R. Id. Rid. Children, now let's have a quick review. You all can read with me. Bid. Did. Hid. Kid. Lid. Mid. Rid. Children, it's better to practice these words every day. The more that you read, the more things you will know. I hope you all had fun reading with me. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click bell icon to get new video alerts. Thank you so much for watching.